Hey guys, Mama Mita here, and today I wanted to talk to you about finding a camping spot for overnight camping in your car. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Wow!
I'm on the road, and it's going to be a long haul. I'm in my Princess Prius, and my goodness sakes, it's sunshine outside. I don't even know what to do with sunshine. I'm like in a state of shock. So much rain and snow and heavy winds and more rain and more snow where I live. Oh my gosh. They just have to say the word beach and I'm thinking, I'm not going in that cold stuff. Are you kidding me? But then I was like, wait a minute. This is California. This is not the state of Washington. Oh my goodness. You guys, let me tell you.
Okay.
It is something else trying to find a good place to park and be able to take a shower too, and all the stuff you need to do, like brush your teeth and stuff, you know. Well, you could go to the state park, but see, I'm not in the same state. I'm a resident of Washington. I'm a resident of Washington State, and when I have a handicap placement card, yes, that would work for me very well, because instead of paying $30, I'd be paying $15 for full electricity and water and a nice spot, everything. But unfortunately, that's not the same when you get to California, and you know, like, you're not a resident of California, so that's going to cost a bit. Oh boy. Well, I also belong to a group of van lifers, and these girls, they talk about all the hot spots to go to and stuff. So I'm lucky that I found that, because man, this has been a big game changer for me. Okay, so coming down here, I've been staying at the Pilot on the freeway and stuff, and I have to tell you, they have been absolutely brand new, very nice, very well stocked, and super clean. My goodness sakes, they were so clean. And I liked it. They were very nice that people were. They said, sure, no problem, just right over there. That's where everybody stays. Well, when I first came in, there was nobody there. Well, when 8:30, 9 o'clock shows up, they come rolling in like like a parade. I'm like, I guess I'm in the right spot. Sure enough, I was in the right spot. In the morning, got up, was able to go in there, and you can get a shower at Pilot, you know, and I can get the coffee and the yogurt, and, you know, go back to my car, and I can read my Facebook, see how you guys are all doing, you know, and seeing that some of them are sad because it's raining or whatever, gloomy days. Yeah, we know all about gloomy days. And then the folks down south with their freezing and stuff, oh boy. But anyway, that's been working pretty well for me. Well, when I got down to San Diego area, or a little bit past, you know, Los Angeles, that's a different story. Big different story. The Pilots I went to, they only allowed 2 hours. They've got some problems around there. People want to dump too much stuff. Kind of like the same thing that happened at Walmart. You know, we were all very happy with going to Walmart and staying overnight and stuff, not paying for anything, you know, going and do our shopping, come back out and you know, enjoy our stay, and off the next day. And we saved a lot of money not paying the prices that they got at KOA. KOA is like $57, $80. Some of these big RVs, you can run in some money going into to KOA. You know, same thing with the state park. I mean, they're not cheap when you got all that big RV and the truck and whatever you got piled on there and stuff. Well, anyway, so I had to find something, you know, and that's what I did. As I have went and changed my gym membership, and I chose Planet Fitness because that's what the girls were talking about. You know, hey, go and stay at the Planet, get your membership with Planet Fitness, and all the RTR girls, you know, down in Arizona and stuff, they were all talking about Planet Fitness. I'm like, what the heck is Planet Fitness? You know, I mean, like, geez, is that just like another Fitness Anytime, or you know, or LA Fitness? What is that? So I started checking up on it. I'm like, you know, I'm gonna go find out about this. So I did. I went to the next city past my city to find out more about it. And I like this. I like all the perks that they give you and stuff. And I'm like, yeah, this could be good. So since I have been in San Diego, I have been staying at the Planet Fitness, and let me tell you, it's very nice, very nice. I have had a great experience here at Planet Fitness. It's very clean. The parking lot's, I feel super safe. Lights everywhere. It's a 24/7. I can go in anytime I want to go to the bathroom. In the morning when I get up, I can go in and get my shower. They got a hair dryer. They've got the TV go with the news or whatever you want on there. You know, you can do your workout and stuff. They've got the 30-minute workout thing. So if you're in a hurry to get out of there and quick, you know, fine.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I really like it. That's worked out great for me. And I'm not getting paid to talk about Planet Fitness. I'm just telling you this. You might want to think about Planet Fitness because it can save you some money. Believe me. I think their membership is like $22 and something for the membership a month. But you get all these things. They even have a sauna chair or a sauna bed that has the water underneath it. They have the massage chairs and stuff there. I mean, you should just go in if you have one in your city and you're interested. Maybe go in and just ask. I just would like to check it out and see how it is. That's what I did in the other city, and I was very happy with it. And if there's some machines you don't know quite what to do, they said that they'll help you with them. They'll get you started on like your little training program, and it's free. It's free. Oh my gosh!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Now, if the Planet Fitness is not open 24/7, for me, I would not stay at a place that's like you're not got a lot of people around it, like because I don't hear, and so I want to be okay and be safe. I would probably, if I was not going to the Planet Fitness, then I would probably go back to the Pilot, TA, or the Loves, or maybe to the state park if there's one nearby. But being out of state, that's going to cost me a lot. I mean, state parks have changed since when my kids were little. State park used to cost us $2.50 to stay overnight at the state park. And I think then it was like $5.35, whatever, to stay overnight with water and electricity. And the bathroom was a half a mile away. Who wants to go to the bathroom almost a freaking half a mile away at 2 o'clock in the morning and you gotta leave your kids in the tent? Yeah, that was kind of rough in those days. But anyway, you guys, do your homework on this.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's like Planet Fitness works for me, and I need to save some money. Like, this is a long trip all the way to Nova Scotia. Can't even talk. I need some water. And then, you want to be saving money. You don't want to be just shelling it out. I mean, a hotel's got to be like, what? I will tell you this. Watch out, because KOA's out to get your money. I can't believe how much they charged me on my last time. I said, I'd never do it again. I'd never do it again. One KOA even told me I had to stay 2 minimum nights, and each night was $89. I'm not doing that. No, I'm not doing that. So that's when I went back to the state parks. But the last KOA that I stayed at was pretty expensive. It was like $50. Well, no, it was like $36. But then I stayed at a campground that was right before the 7 Mile Bridge in Key West. That one cost me $53, and the campsite was the size of this Prius. I had no choice. I had to pay it. I was on the bike. And I'm like, okay. And I spent one more night in Key West. And I said, adios, Key West. I don't miss you guys. Not at that price. Heck no. But then if I would stay at the hotel, that had been $280-something a night. Who can afford that? I'm a senior now. I mean, where's my discount? Not. And then about a year, no, it's right before the virus came in, I went over to Portland area. And it was during a holiday. Big mistake. And so I go up to the guy and drive up to his place, and he had a sign outside saying that he had availability because nobody else did. And I went up and I said, oh, I'm just looking for a campsite. And I said, I don't need water, electricity. I just need a place to park my car because I'm car camping. Oh, yeah, I got no problem. I've got one more site ready for you. I said, okay. All right, how much I had to pay you? $89, ma'am. And I'm like, oh, $18. Okay, I got it. He said, no, ma'am, $89. I'm like, oh, $18, right? 1-8? No, ma'am, 89, like 8-9. I said, oh. No, I can't afford that. I'm on a budget. Yeah, no, that's not going to work for me. I left. I got in the car. I'm going to call my daughter and see what she can find for me. I think she can find a hotel cheaper than that. Goodness sakes, that's highway robbery. Who ever heard of such? I mean, not even just the same size as a Prius, and you want $89? Well, let me tell you, he probably got it because it was the last site, and I'm sure he got it. But he didn't get it from me. No, no. I would have drove all the way back home before I paid $89. That's ridiculous. So be careful. Do your homework early and find out where you can go. Don't do what I did, where I drove all the way 40 miles thinking that Pilot would have a spot for me. And when I got there, they were packed. I said, never mind, I can still find a spot. I can find a spot. But guess what? Sitting over by the flower tub was a sign that said 2-hour parking maximum. Oh my God. I was like, great. All right. There you have it. You guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I'm going to be back on the road again. And guess what? I got sunshine. And not a cloudy day. And it's not cold outside. No way. Bye now.